This diagram right here was created starting with points A and B, so all we were given was A and B. And then we used only straight edge and compass moves to construct the rest. All the steps of this construction are visible, so there's no hidden circles or lines or anything. We want to describe precisely all of the straight edge and compass moves that are required to construct line CD in this diagram. Okay, when we write down our construction steps, we want to specify a couple of things. Ideally, we'd like to specify the tool that we should be using and the geometric figure and any other information that we need. So the very first thing that they probably did was they probably made circle A. And in order to make circle A, we would be using the compass. Okay, so one way that we could precisely describe that move is we could say, use a compass to create a circle. We want to specify where the center is, centered at A, and we want to specify a point on that circle so we know the size of it, passing through B. Okay. After they made circle A, they probably made circle B next. So we'll have the same step, but flipped. Use a compass to create a circle centered at B, passing through A. So we made our two circles, and then it looks like the next thing they probably would have done is they would have labeled these points, right? So we can say that we need to label those two intersection points. So we can say, first we mark the points, then we label them. Okay, so we'd say mark the two intersection points of the circles as C and D. Okay, so we're marking point C, marking point D, and then the very last thing that we would have done is we would have labeled, we would have constructed that line, and because that's a straight line, we would have used the straight edge for that. So we're going to specify which tool we would use. Use a straight edge to create a line. And we want to specify the 2 points that that line goes through, passing through C and D. All right, there is our answer for number 2.